Welcome, April, and welcome to Wicked Gingerbread. If you're new here, I'm Molly. I live in Central Ohio. If you are a regular, great to see you again. Today, I know that you've all tuned in to see tofu, rotten bananas, and slop. That's what we're going to make today. I hope you like it. No, this is April Fool's. We're really going to make a cherry fool, and it's a great dessert. So let's get started making that. So today on this April Fool's episode, first we're going to make cherry fool, and then I have bloopers coming up. Oh wait, there's no bloopers. I haven't made any mistakes. Yes, there's bloopers. So let's go ahead and get started on this cherry fool recipe. Very simple but tasty dessert. And you could use really any fruit that you like. I'm doing a cherry fool. Certainly you could do strawberry, blueberry, just whatever fruit you have on hand. But the dark cherries, they're frozen, they're easy to keep. So what you're going to want to do is just find like some kind of a non-fat Greek yogurt. You want something thicker. And I'm going to put equal parts of the yogurt with a reduced fat or fat-free Cool Whip. And then in this mixture, I'm going to put just a touch of clove because I'm using cherry. The clove kind of complements. This would also complement peach if you were using peaches. For strawberries, I might use maybe cinnamon or some other kind of allspice, just something else. So just a pinch of clove because clove is very strong. And then I'm also going to use sugar-free instant Jell-O cheesecake. So we don't need to put any sugar in this. This is going to help sweeten it up a little as well as the Cool Whip. So you're going to use about 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of Cool Whip, and not quite half the package. Just you might want to stir it up a little and see if it's going to be sweet enough. If it's not, you could always put just a little bit more of the cheesecake mixture in. Okay, and I'm going to give it a try. Delicious. Delicious. Okay, so I recommend that you find a really pretty glass, some kind of container, so that this looks really pretty. And then you'll just want to put some of the whipped cream yogurt mixture. And then I'm going to add, they're still frozen, but they'll unthaw. But I'm going to add some of the cherries, maybe a half cup. Looks very pretty. And feel free to top this off with either almonds or a little bit of pistachios. A very simple but tasty cherry fool. Now on to the bloopers. Yes. Potatoes. I know that some people think they're the enemy. We're going to start this over. And then you want to put 1/4 cup of Worcestershire. I'm not sure how you say that, but thank you so much for watching this segment for the breakfast, for the scones. Make sure you subscribe and like, and don't forget to, don't miss the lunch and the dinner section. Don't, make sure that you check out the dinners and the lunch.
Test, Molly. Test.
Test.
No!
got it? So just show them all the food. Look at all this cute appetizers that arrived.
What is that, Molly?
Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you want to see more of this same content. Have a great week. Okay.
2, 1.
Okay, more. Oh my God, I forgot.
You didn't take picture. 3, 2, 1.
Alf Saha Shukran. Oh no, see, I've already messed up. Alf Saha Ma Benjan Sorry Shukran.
Barnamish, sorry.
What? Barnamish. Oh,
Barnamish.
okay. Alf Saha Ma Barnamish Sorry Shukran. Bit min Saha wa Sada. Am I plugged in?
1.
Oh, I'm not plugged in.
Test 1, 2, 3. Test.
That's fine. Yep. Welcome, November. No. Okay. 1, 2. And I was like,
I'm sorry.
no, you're trying to be helpful, but I'm like,
Right.
okay. And I'll cut some of this where this lady did not have. I'm using someone else's recipe. This lady did not use enough. I might have to start this whole thing over. She's not using enough flour. This is not even going to turn out like cake.
Okay, we'll start over.
Let's start over.
Yeah, throw it away.
No, I'm not. I don't have to throw it away, but I'm going to put more in. I'm going to put, yeah. What the hell is she thinking?
You need to stop anything or just keep it rolling?
You can just keep it rolling. Yeah, we're putting 2 cups in. I'll just get a spoon. Oh. I gotta get a spoon. Oh. But I'll edit that out. Already screwed that up. She's thinking.
I stop.
Okay, for this course of the luxury meal, no. This recipe, as part of the luxurious, let me start this over.
2, 1.
And I just took the lemon ricotta cake, the Italian lemon ricotta cake, out of the oven. And pop quiz, audience. What ingredient did I not show you that I put in there? Anyone? The ricotta cheese. After I stopped rolling, I had to actually go back in and with a whisk, because I had already put the food processor in the sink. So I'm human. I'm not a chef. These things happen. So just remember to put a whole container, 15 ounces, and I chose low-fat ricotta cheese. So the whole container. Are you chasing those flies?
2, 1.
Okay. That's all I needed you for, honey. Cut! Now we need to take some pictures of it. Woo! Lunch today is another crock pot. Blah. Oh yes, I don't think I needed to put cumin in this. Oh yes, I forgot about that. So
I just tasted and I
nope,
say.
wait till I come over.
Oh, this looks really good, Molly. Honey, this looks very appealing. 1.
And the egg. Ugh, hold on, keep rolling. Casserole. And the egg and potato.
We're gonna have a discussion about bloopers. Huh?
I'm gonna have a bunch for April. And then you could either use ham, a lean cut of ham. You could use what's it called? prosciutto. You could use it, the Italian ham, prosciutto. Dinner tonight is going to be a very fancy English muffin. And you probably will have to cut this. You'll probably have to cut this. Cut it in half. The whole house smells like... Thank you, honey. I'm going to really like this.
I would love it, honey. Oh, this corn cake? Corn bread.
Why is this just now recording?
Because I stopped it.
Oh, but it's recording again. Give it a try. It's like having pizza for breakfast. It's a no-brainer. And then I'll show you what they look like, and we're gonna flip them out and pour the underneath part. Don't tell anyone. I love maraschino. You didn't see that.